back to another 3D City database tutorial. In this session, we are going to talk about database connection. Let's go! As you remember in the previous session, we talked about the installation of 3D City database and importer and exporter. But in this session, we are going to talk about the database tab in importer and exporter application. So at the first, I want to review how to open the importer and exporter application. I just type cmd here to open the cmd in this address. And then I want to run the jar file. Which jar file? Our jar file is in lib. And the name of jar file is here, impexp-client- the version of my importer and exporter. So I rename it to copy all of them. In cmd I said java-jar, go into the lib, and then run this file. As you can see, this application is running. Don't forget that we are working on importer and exporter version 4, so you can connect to the database with the version 4, the 3D City database version 4, or less than, for example, version 3. So if you created your tables from 3D City database with version 4.1, you can connect with this one. Now I want to talk about the database tab. We want to connect to those databases that I created in the first session. Let's jump into. This is the database that I have to connect with, and as you can see, it has a 3 schemas and 3Citydb. It has 66 tables, and all the tables in CityGML are here. So I want to connect to this database. You can define some description here. Your Postgres, it's my username. The default username of PostgreSQL is Postgres, and the password, this password you define when you install your PostgreSQL. So just enter that one, and you can save a password here if you don't want to repeat it every single time. And the type of your database. As you remember, I said that 3D City database can work with Oracle and Postgres as well. But in this video, we are just going into the PostgreSQL. And also the name of our database, I said that I want to connect to the test one, to the test, not test one. So I just removed the one here, and the schema I want to fetch it is CityDB. I have another schema here, but the other one doesn't have any table in it, so it doesn't have any schema as well. CityDB, we have 66 tables, so we can fetch the schema from here. And then I just apply and connect. And as you can see, everything goes well, and database connection established. And you can apply this information into our database. You can just new, copy, or delete. But I want to check that if I create a database, here I create this database, test1, with a 3D City database version 4.1, and I want to show that I can't connect to test1 from importer exporter version 4. So I just put a test1 here. Everything is the same. I'm working on my local host. If you are working on a server, don't forget to set a server IP. And I forget to set that your port is maybe as 5432 because this is the default for port for PostgreSQL, but I have a different kind of PostgreSQL on my system, so this one is 5433 for me, but for you is 32. So I want to disconnect and connect to another one, test1, and as you can see, I get an error, and it said that this database is created with 4.1 3D City database, and this importer and exporter just support 4 and 3.3 and 3. So I said, okay, don't worry, I will connect to the database with a compatible version. So I connect again and everything goes well. And let's check the other kind of tabs here. This one is a database report. You can generate a database report here. This is the name of all your tables, and as you can see, there is nothing in your table. There is no feature here. And also you can set a bounding box. Of course you can't set here. It is just a symbolic. Believe me, it doesn't working, and I hope it will be correct in the newer version. But if I don't know, Australia, for example, nothing happened. If I choose, for example, the bounding box here, I don't know, nothing happened. You can just show in a Google Map. The Google Map address is opening, but yeah, it's here. Yeah, here. And also you can set some bounding box here. For example, I don't know, 38.2. This is the maximum x, maximum y, min x, and min y. For example, I don't know, maybe 31.9, I don't know, 38.3, and 31, and I don't know, 2. I want to show this one. This is the bounding box that I created, and I want to show in the Google Maps. Hopefully it works, but I don't think so. Yo, this is the here, but I can't see any bounding box. But the place that we created, of course, is here. As you can see, this is the location, and the numbers are the same. But yeah, it's not working very well with this tab, so I cancel it here and go to the next one. This is the indexes. You can activate and create a special index and normal index. You know that this indexes is very helpful when you want to get queries, especially with special queries. Is very helpful for you. So you can activate here. As you can see, it says activate successfully. You can deactivate here. It works very well. You can get a status about your special indexes, if it is there or it is not. You can vacuum there and update it, all of them together. And also it is a tab for coordinate system. The coordinate system of my database is 7855, and this is the name of my GML. Also I can edit here, and I transfer to another coordinate system, or just I can update my metadata. I don't want to change. I can just apply, and it said that nothing changed. And if I get a check, it gives me the name of my coordinate system, and also this is GDA, show date on Australia 2020, and this is the projected. So this is about the coordinate system, and also ADs here. There is no AD here, but we will add it in the future. Okay, this is all you need to know about the database tab and how to connect to the 3Dcity database from importer and exporter. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please comment below. If you like our video, please give me a thumbs up and watch our next video, and bye bye.